Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Tao.
And I'm Joshia. Today is June 10th, 2022, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
Seniors, please make sure to turn in your laptops along with your charging cord by the end of today. Also, please make sure to check your My School Books account for any fines that need to be paid off before graduation.
Now, let's head over to Nataly for our weekday weather.
Weather for the last time. We're going to have partly cloudy and sunny for most of the weekend. Today will be our last rainy day. Our high is going to be 65. Our lowest is going to be 46, sorry. And I hope you guys have a great summer. I hope the seniors, congrats on graduating and all that. That's all I have, and back to the desk.
Thanks, Nataly. Graduation rehearsals will take place both Monday, June 13th at 9:30 here at the Oxygen, and Wednesday, June 15th at 9 a.m. at the Tahoma Dome.
Senior breakfast will also take place Monday, June 13th at 9:30 in the Oxygen. Tickets are on sale for $10 until the end of today.
While we're on the topic of seniors, you will be able to pick up your diploma July 13th from 10 to 2 p.m. and July 14th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m.
So, who did you bet on for the bowling match? Mr. Johnson or Kedric?
I got Mr. Johnson.
Mr. Johnson?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I'm going to tie between both because I know Kedric's a pretty good bowler, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
But let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
All right, so Kedric has his bowling bag here. He's got like 4 balls ready to go.
So this is a urethane ball. It's not going to hook much, but it's going to give a lot of power to the pins. This is a reactive resin ball. It's going to hook a lot and give a lot of power to the pins. This ball is going to have a lot of revs on it just because it has a weight that's centered more to the left side than the right. And then this is just like a spare ball that I use sometimes.
Meanwhile, I need to pick one of these balls.
I don't know why it forms like that. Ball, second arrow. You got to strike. Johnson's got to throw this ball straight. Got it.
He's going to see if he can get 2 strikes in a row. He's nervous. All right, he's on his way to 300.
I got Mr. Johnson scared now. Doubled up. Looking good. Oh, we're not going to talk about that. Mr. Johnson needs to work on his form. Oh, that's over the 3rd arrow. Oh, Brooklyn. Lucky strike. Lucky strike. I repeat, we're lucky.
Okay, this is my shot to come back. Ooh.
That right there, folks. He almost fell and somehow picked it up.
Oh.
On it, Mr. Johnson's gonna hit the first 2 and nothing else. And that's what you call calling it. It's time for a ball change.
Did he find a spot? Oh. And now he's got the hardest pickup for a single pin, I believe. And he missed it. 4-frame match right now. You show us up. So right now I have 144. Kedric has 131, but it's going to grow as soon as he does his next next bowl. So if he doesn't close this frame, I think we could have a chance of it all coming down to the 10th frame.
Johnson, this is what I do for a living.
That's what he does for a living.
No. That's what we call tough.
He's going to bowl 3 strikes in a row, he says, to close out the 10th frame. Oh, got it. And two-handed, and he walks away. All right, Kedric won. He only won by 30.
Mr. Johnson, it was a good game. I could have bowled a lot better. I didn't bowl as good as I wanted to. You bowled a lot better than I thought you were going to bowl.
Okay, you heard it. You heard it here. I was better than Kedric thought. Hey, I'm happy you got the win. I'm happy you've been in TV production this year. It's been fun having you. And you're going out on top. You beat the best of the best here.
Yeah.
Now let's head over to our senior ASB.
I'm Angel.
I'm Jamie.
And I'm Trinity.
As many of y'all know, today is the last day for seniors.
As ASB, we would like to congratulate everyone that has made it.
We will cherish every memory made this year.
This unique year had opened up my eyes because of COVID. It made me take things for granted.
I hope the best for everyone.
This is Senior Center Angel.
This is Exec Communication Director Trinity.
This is Exec President Jamie.
Signing off.
Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
What's the game